Hi, this is Athena StarSeed and Elitom El-amin.
I'm here.
And this is our Pranic StarBody retreat, and this is our 11-11 lecture.
Right,
We're at the end.
11-11. Here we
did
are.
11.
Oh man, here we go. We're opening up that portal because it's a full moon around
Look,
this time.
this is the portal. We're actually in the portal. Here's our archway. We're in the portal on 11-11.
And those of you can feel energy. The energy is very high.
Very high.
We've been cultivating it, getting it harmonized. So we're serious about this.
Step closer into the light, right here.
Developing ourselves.
Yeah, there you go. There we are.
And
Look
really
at
bringing this energy on. This is awesome. But the 11-11 portal, notice that we've seen this coming 4 months ago.
4 months. We started in July. We started seeing the vision in July.
Right. To know to prepare ourselves even then for this time period to come. See, because we're hooked up with the cosmos. See, remember when I said that every time the sun comes out, it activates your pineal gland and put out serotonin? When the moon comes out, it brings forth melatonin. It didn't even ask our permission. So right there, that those forces that's not on the earth is dictating how our hormones is going. So therefore, even the other astrological bodies, they're doing the same thing, even if you don't realize it or not.
Even if you don't realize it. Let's start walking a little bit. So we are, this is the Sound Palace Temple. We're going to walk out here, out of the little portal. And what we want to say to you is that this is an angel gateway to upgrade our DNA.
To upgrade our DNA.
Use the energies right now of the full moon and this 11-11 Stargate portal.
To really transform ourselves. Because keep in mind that all ancient religions, one thing they do got in common, they all talk about transformation.
Right.
This is what we're talking about. And then in your spiritual circles, why should I'm not separating them, but some people say, I'm not religious, I'm spiritual. But it's still dealing with transformation. And even if you're on the intellectual levels, even if you don't go into that, you are doing yourself, chasing knowledge, education to transform yourself.
Right. And
that's in everybody.
And that's what our cells are doing all the time. When we sleep, they're transforming themselves.
By their nature. That's awesome.
That's if you don't do anything. It's going to do it on its own.
It's going to do it on its own.
If we don't mess it up, it's going to do it on its own.
Oh, absolutely. Even if you do mess it up, it's going to do it on its own.
It'll still do it on its own.
Change, one thing everybody can agree with, change takes place in life every single day. One day, your life could be going one way, and then at the twinkling of an eye, many people...
It can radically change.
It can radically change.
And and that's the thing, is people that might think, oh, this is a terminal thing here for me, or oh, this is just like, it'll never get any better. That's a state of consciousness.
Right.
Wealth is a state of consciousness. Health is a state of consciousness. Right. How can I improve? Or just talking, like you said, talk to your body. I'm getting healthier every day. I'm getting wealthier every day. I'm getting stronger.
Because your body's listening on what you're saying.
Your body's listening.
That's a portal.
That's a portal.
Remember what you're saying?
These are portals.
The body is the gateway to the invisible.
That's deep.
That's why this is a portal.
That's deep. The body is a gateway
to the invisible forces.
To the invisible forces. So we are
the portal.
An interface.
An interface.
We're the conduit from the nowhere to the now here.
So that's why when you start watching what you put in your body and backing away more, that gives the organs a chance to vibrate differently. So it opened up another influx of energy. That's the portal we're talking about.
That's a portal.
When you get to a certain level of receiving that energy over a period of time, the portal's open. This is why you can eat very little or none at all. That's the Breatharian journey. You just opened up the portal.
So here's Ganesha. I get to see Ganesha right here at the front door. And those of you who don't know who Ganesha is is the aspect of God that removes obstacles. You were in India?
Yeah, here she go, Ganesha. And I went to many temples, many people's houses where she is here. But it's a symbolic thing that's telling you a great story. And what Ganesha says is, everybody want to capture Ganesha's power. But Ganesha is saying, wait, young one, don't chase the power. Allow the power to come to you.
That's big. That's huge.
That's huge. So again, opening up a portal, you don't need to go around the world trying to open this. Try to get this external thing. Work inside to open up the portal, and the power will come to you.
The power will come to you.
Ganesha is you.
Right. Everything is you.
All of these are symbologies that's telling a story. The north, the east, the south, the west. bringing different blockages with the trunk, blowing it out the way. But don't chase Ganesha. Just work on yourself. You ain't got to chase nothing.
No, right.
And the power will look. See, this is what you're doing. Let me put it in the story. So, sometimes we say we believe in God and stuff. Okay, just say if there's a God sitting somewhere, and then all of a sudden he recognized somebody, they're working on themselves. I got to pay them some attention.
That's what's been happening.